Progressive muscle relaxation is a fancy name for tightening and relaxing the muscles in your body. While the idea is simple, progressive muscle relaxation is a powerful way to train yourself to relax. And it can help you to reduce the tension and anxiety when you're dealing with difficult reminders or memories, or if something's just stressing you out. If you practice this, it can become a valuable tool for you. What we do is tighten each group of muscles and hold the tension for about 5 seconds. Then quickly let go and relax for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you tighten the muscles, don't tighten them as hard as you can, just to a medium tightness. While you do this, focus your attention on the muscles you're working with. Especially think about the changes you feel as you quickly release the tension. You'll notice yourself relaxing more after releasing the muscles. Let it happen that way and enjoy it. Remember, this is a tool for you to practice and use. You are in control and you can stop at any time. Before we actually start, close your eyes and enjoy resting for a minute or two. You might use the breathing technique explained in number 2 as a way to begin this exercise. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, focus your eyes on a point on the floor or wall. Accept any thoughts that come into your mind, but let them pass you by, like leaves floating by on a creek. Just bring your mind back to the muscle relaxation exercises. If an important idea comes up, you can get back to it later when the exercise is finished. Okay? Now we are going to start tensing and relaxing the muscle groups. I will briefly describe which muscle groups I want you to focus on and how to tense those muscles. Then we'll move on to the next muscle group. At the end of the training session, we'll go through all of the muscle groups again so you can get used to the pattern. Sit on a chair or wherever you can sit upright with both feet flat on the ground. For the first exercise, raise your right hand and make a fist. Hold it for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And release the tension and feel the difference in your hand as you release that tension. Notice the difference. Now with your right arm, bend your arm as if to show off your muscles by flexing your bicep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And release quickly and feel the difference for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now take your left hand and again make a fist. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And release. With your left arm, bend your arm as if you're going to show off your muscles. Flex your bicep, hold that position. And release. Now with your forehead, raise your eyebrows as high as you can and hold the tension in your face. And let it go. Now I want you to take your mouth and jaw and clench your teeth, pulling back the corners of your mouth. This is kind of a forced smile. Hold that for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Next, we're going to work with your shoulders and neck. I want you to lock your hands behind your neck and push back with your head. Your head should not change its position. Pull forward with your hand and push back with your neck. Hold that for 5 seconds and release. Now, we're going to do your chest and back. Breathe in deeply and hold your breath. While pressing your shoulders back, try to touch your elbows together. Hold it for about 5 seconds. Now release, let your shoulders hang, and breathe normally. Next, we're going to tighten the muscles of your stomach. Tighten your abdomen. Hold that tension and keep breathing normally. And release. Next, we are going to have you take your right foot. Point your foot forward as if you're pointing your toes. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. For your right calf, Push your toes forward on the ground while lifting your heel up toward the ceiling. You should feel tension in your calf muscle. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. For your right thigh, push forward with your right thigh. The idea here is to create tension. Hold and release. Okay, now your left foot. Point your toes. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. For your left calf, push your toes into the floor. Raise your heel up and hold the tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Next, we're going to do the left thigh. Put your left foot firmly on the ground. Push firmly as if you're trying to move your body forward. Remember, don't allow your body to go forward. The idea here is to create tension in your thigh muscle. Hold that and release. Okay, good. And enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Now we recommend that you go through each muscle group again just to gain practice. Notice how your body feels now. You should feel quite a bit more relaxed. This is a skill, and with practice, you will get better and better at it. You may notice you're feeling tension in one or more areas of your body. As you finish your relaxation, just open your eyes and move your fingers and toes playfully. Breathe deeply again and stretch your body. Breathe deeply again.